Hello everyone. Today I am talking about communication to rural audience. The increased income purchasing power of the rural consumer and the improved income distribution have enhanced rural demand for several products. So rural communication have an important role in marketing. Marketing communication is very important for any firm. It determines the growth of the company. Designing promotion strategy meant for rural area involves the following steps. A. Determines marketing communication objectives. B. Decided the message content structure and format. C. Select the channel of communication. D. Decide marketing communication mix sale promotion, advertising, direct marketing, publicity, and personal selling. And option E. Determine the marketing communication budget. There are many challenges to communication in rural area. Planning of rural marketing communication should be done only after taking the following problems. The literacy rate among rural customers is low, hence the printed world has limited use in the rural context. It is difficult for marketers to break cultural barriers. In India, there are 18 official languages and 1700 dialects. It is very difficult to prepare advertisement in 18 languages. The attitudes and behavior of rural customers are constantly changing, so it is difficult to create product awareness among the rural masses. Next, we have to talk about strategies for rural marketing communication. In planning the rural marketing communication strategy, greater care should be taken. A company should plan a judicious mix of both conventional and non-conventional media. A good media mix is very important to create an impact on rural minds. The following marketing communication strategy may be adopted for the rural market. The communication should be in the regional language. Rural specific message should be designed. Only the functional benefits should be advertised. Instead of advertising dreams, the product should be demonstrated. This will raise the awareness of rural customers. Both traditional media like folk theatre, demonstration, hats and millas, wall painting, video, net, booklets, calendars, etc. And conventional media like TV, radio, word of mouth, cinema, print, cable, television, etc. may be used. In short, it is better to use mass media. A roadshow is an economical and effective communication vehicle for launching a product in the rural market. It offers the customers a chance to directly interact with and experience the product service. HUL's unique initiative to push its detergents using camels to advertise is an example. Asian Paints demonstrates the effectiveness of its product by painting the owners of bullock with it. Melas and festivals can be used for giving publicity to the product. Some services can be rendered to the public at free of cost. For example, Usha International has an agreement with the Lions Club of Chandigarh under which it offers diploma courses in swimming, stitching, embroidery and tailoring to physically handicapped girls for free. Several other methods can be used for the rural promotion. Some of them are point of sale displays at retail counters, sponsorship of local events, mobile vans and games featuring products, etc. Personal selling also will work better in rural market. Thank you for watching this video.